Children, I hope you're all fine. That day we finished that lesson. Which lesson we finished, children? Lands and oceans. Yes, we learn about the continents and ocean in this part 1 video. Yes, today we are going to study about the second landform. First landform we studied. What are the continents are there? First, I'm asking with you, what are the continents are there? Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Which is the largest continent? Asia. Where is the smallest continent? Australia. What is the continent? The vast land masses of on the earth are called continents. And huge water bodies we will say oceans. Okay, children? First landform we studied. Today we are going to learn second landform. The second order landforms are categorized as mountain, plateaus and plains. Okay. See, in this one first we are going to study about the mountains. Okay. Mountains, that landform that rises 600 meters above its surrounding and has steep slopes is called a mountains. Mountains are found in insulations or in a group. If the mountains extend for a larger area continuously, it is called mountain region. See, mountain is a highly volatile land from the surrounding area. So mountain have a steep sides and conical tops called peaks. So when such high hills form a chain, that we can say ranges. So they may occur in the several parallel ranges. For examples, the Himalayas and parallels ranges in India, Nepal's Alps in Europe, Roxy in the North America, Athens in the North America, South America. So interestingly, the mountains are called young and old according to their age. So the Himalayas and Alps we can say young mountains. Aravallis it is in India. Alpines it is in the USA, are all the old mountain. That all the old mountains. The highest point of the mountain is known as a peak, we say. Where is the Mount Everest is located? The highest peak is in the Nepal. So mountains are the source of the river. Mountains are the source of the rivers. They provide shelter to the flora and fauna. So here tourism is one of the important activity. During summers people can go to the mountain, enjoys the pleasing cool weather. Yes, Udagamandalam, Kodaikanal, Kulli Hills, Erkadu, Yelagiri, some hill stations are found in the Tamil Nadu also. Yes. Say the Mount Everest is raises from the sea floor. So this is a higher Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the highest mountain. Okay. See, in the summer times what we will say, ஏதாவது ஒரு குளிர்ந்த இடத்துல போய் நம்ம என்ஜாய் பண்ணிட்டு வருவோமா அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நம்ம என்ன செய்வோம், போவோம். அப்படிதான் நம்ம. ஸோ நம்ம இடத்துல நம்மளுடைய தமிழ்நாட்டில் கூட சில இடங்கள் இருக்குது. உதகமண்டலம், கொடைக்கானல், கொல்லி ஹில்ஸ், ஏற்காடு அப்படி நிறைய இடங்கள் இருக்குது. So we will enjoy this. Yes. So mountains also one of the source of the rivers. Next, plateaus. Plateaus are elevated portion of the earth that have flat surface bounded by the steep soils. So the evolution of the plateaus may be a few hundred meter or several thousands meter. பீட பூமின்னு சொல்லுவோம். Plateaus என்னது? பீட பூமி. So Dipton plateau is the highest plateau in the world. So we can say that one is the roof of the world. The flat topped part of the plateau is called table land. நம்ம அதை இப்போ நம்ம வந்து என்ன சொல்லலாம் அப்படின்னா, plateaus இதுனா என்னது, flat topped land, பீட பூமின்னு நம்ம சொல்லுவோம். சரியா? This option resemble a table, so they we called tablelands. So it rises abruptly from the surrounding area. So a plateau may have steep slopes on one or more sides. So the height of the plateau may vary from a few hundred to few thousands meters. So the plateau of the Deepak is the highest in the world. அதோட ரேஞ்ச் எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா 4000லேருந்து 6000 மீட்டர்ஸ் above the sea level, 4000 to 6000 meters above the sea level. So some plateaus are richer than mountains, so they can still be identified because of their flat tops. So plateaus stretch for thousands of kilometers like the Deccan Plateau of India. தீப்தன் பிளாட்டியூ என்னது, உலகத்திலே பெரிய ஒரு பீடபூமி. அது எப்படி இருக்கும், ரூப் ஆஃப் த வேர்ல்ட் நம்ம அதை சொல்லலாம். The plateaus are generally rich in minerals. தாதுக்களால் நிறைஞ்ச ஒரு பிளாட்டியூ பீடபூமி இருக்குது. அது பேர் என்னது, சோட்டா நாக்பூர். Therefore meaning in one of the major activities of the living peoples also here. The Deccan Plateau is a what we can say, it's a volcanic organ. Okay, Dharmapuri Plateau பீடபூமிகளோடு இருக்குது. கோயம்புத்தூர் Plateau, Madurai Plateau is also found in the Tamil Nadu. It's a Tamil Nadu plains. Plains are the flat and relative low lying lands. Plants are usually less than 200 meter above sea level. So sometimes they may be rolling or upwelling. Most of the formed by the rivers and distributors. Okay, these plants are used exclusively for the agriculture due to the availability of the water and fertilized soil. See, plains and low lying lands, samaveligal. These are all largely flat stretches of land and are therefore called plains. So most plants are formed by the rivers and their distributors. So rivers from the mountain carry huge amount of slate, mud and sand. As the rivers reach generally slopes, they slow down and deposit the slate, sand, etc. So with that we can alluvium. So these plants formed by the rivers, we can say, okay, Ganga Dig, northern plants in India, Nile basin in Indus valley is there. Okay, the plants have been cradle for the civilizations for the earliest time. For example, this the India in the Indus in the India, Nile in the Egypt. So these all be early civilizations. So they are the most suitable for inhabitations. Hence they are highly populated regions of the world. The old civilizations like Mesopotamia, Hindu civilization developed in the river plains. The Indo-Genetic plains in the North India is one of the largest plains in the world. So the plains formed by the river Kaveri and Vaigai, it is found in the Tamil Nadu. Okay, the coastal plains are also one of the low-lying lands. It is adjacent to the ocean and seas. Ocean and seas. Third landform. Third order landforms are formed on mountains, plateaus and plains. It mainly erosional and deposition activities of rivers, glacier, winds and waves. Valleys, beaches and sand dunes are one of the some examples for it. Yes, தேர்ட் பிளாட்ஃபார்மில் என்ன இருக்குது அப்படின்னா மவுண்டன்ஸ், பிளாட்டியூஸ், பிளேன்ஸ்னு சொன்னாலும் அந்த அரிமானங்கள் எங்கே போய் இந்த மண்ணெல்லாம் சேர்த்து கொண்டு தள்ளுதோ அதுதான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம், தேர்டு சொல்லுவோம். ரிவர்ஸு, கிளாசியர், பனிச்சறுக்குகள், விண்ட்ஸு, காற்றுகள், வேவ்ஸு, வேலிஸு, காற்றாலைகள், சன்டியூன்ஸு, மண்ணை இது பண்ணுறது. சரியா? see in this picture you have in your book. So this is a valley, this is a beach, this is sand dunes. So this erosions is the process of the removal of surface material from the earth crust. So this material is transported, deposited in the low lying area. ஒரு இடத்துல இருந்து எடுத்து அப்படியே கொண்டு போய் பள்ளத்தில் கொண்டு என்ன செஞ்சிடும், போட்டுரும். அதை தான் நம்ம இந்த ப்ராசஸ் தான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம், டெபாசிஷன்ஸ். நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம், டெபோசிஷன்ஸ். Okay, shall I ask with you one questions? When you are walking on the Marina Beach in Chennai, which order of the landform are you are? Can you say me? Which landform? That is a third order landform. Okay. Okay, now we are going to write the classwork. Okay, children, all of you take your social classwork note. That day we finished the 5 questions. Okay, now we are going to write the distinguish between two questions are there. Okay, first question, distinguish between a mountain and a plateau. Okay, take your scale and put the line and write it like this. Okay, only 2 questions. Write it fast. Did you finish, children? Okay, now write second question. Okay, this is the second. Distinguish between an ocean and the sea. Okay, write it fast. Did you finish the two questions? Okay. Now you can turn to the page home. Okay. This is the previous answer. Okay. If you done any mistake, you can write it fast and correct it. Write it fast, children. Did you finish? Now you write today's homework. Now you write today's homework. I give the time to you. You write it. Write it fast, children. Write neatly. See, we are learned about this in this chapter. Continent and what is the first form, second form, third form. Yes. And we have remained balance is that is ocean. Yes. That part we can see in the next classes. What are the oceans are there? We can see in the next class. Okay, children. Are you understand my class? Okay, children. Did you finish this homeworks or not? Write it fast. Okay children, always whatever we are giving that you want to study that day itself, don't ever never skip the video. Always wear the marks. If you go anywhere, you have to ask your parent, okay, obey your parent. That is good for you. Okay children, eat healthy food, drink more water. Yes, we want to learn more things in our life, so drink more water, then only you can avoid some diseases. Okay children, thank you children, we will meet in the next class.